this video, you will learn how to add and create books within your bookstore as a vendor on PUBNiTO. Log into your store and navigate to the publishing panel. In order to have editing privileges, double-check your role to ensure that you are using the panel as a vendor, since only the vendor role is permitted to create books. You can change your role to vendor by clicking the Switch Roles button if you are logged in as a bookstore admin. Click on Books to navigate to the Books page. Now, click on Create New Book. Choose a book type by clicking on the drop-down menu. The book type you choose impacts the level of protection and the format of your book. By selecting the basic book type, your book will be in EPUB 3 format with simple protection. By selecting the advanced book type, your book can be in EPUB 3, PDF, or audiobook formats. This type has the highest security. If you choose to create an advanced book, you can clone an existing book and build on it by enabling the Clone from Another Book checkbox, and then selecting the book you wish to clone from within the drop-down menu that shows your existing books. Or you can choose to create a book from scratch. Once you're done, click Save to move forth with your book creation. Now, you must complete a multi-step process to complete your book creation. Here, we've got the metadata step, in which you must enter the essential information for your book. Select your desired language. Notice how your book is automatically saved in the bookstore's default language. If you've created an advanced book, choose your desired book file format, and enter the book type, for example, an interactive version, a fixed layout, or a reflow. Next, enter the name of the publisher. Enter the book's original title. Type in a description that clearly explains what the book is about. If you've completed the previous sections, the AI-powered assistant can suggest a suitable description to improve your site's visibility. Add tags that are related to your book's content. These tags can influence the connection between books and the bookstore. Enter the date of publication for your book. Note that you can either enter the book's original or current publication date. And lastly, if applicable, enter your book's ISBN. Before completing this step, please note that if the bookstore admin has defined any custom metadata, it will also appear as an extra field within this step. Hence, click Save to save the changes you have made. Or, click on Save and Next step to save your changes and continue. In the Book File step, you must upload your file in the desired format. Note that if you have created a basic book, you can only upload an EPUB file at this stage. However, if you have created an advanced book, you can upload a file with the same format selected in the metadata step. Once again, click Save and Next step to proceed. Then we've got the Subjects step, in which you must assign subjects to your book. Select one or more subjects that best describe and categorize your book from the drop-down menu within the Subjects field. Some subjects might have predetermined attributes and values that you can select from. This is an important step, as it helps readers find your book among relevant titles. Remember, as the bookseller, you can only select from the available subjects without defining new subjects. This feature is only available for the bookstore admin. Click Save and Next step. In the Media step, you must upload an image for the book cover. During this step, please pay attention to the provided tips regarding the size and picture format. Once you're done, click Save and go to the next step. In the Authors step, you must provide information about the book's author. You can select from previously created authors or create new authors as required. To select from existing authors, type in their name in this field and choose from the list of results. To create a new author, click on the Create New Authors icon. Enter the necessary information about the author, like their name or other details for instance. Once you've completed entering your author's information, click the Add Authors button to finalize. Next, you must select each author's role in your book. You can determine their role in the book such as writer, editor, reviewer, or other roles. Once you have entered all your authors, click Save and Next step to continue. Please note that if the bookstore admin has set any rich custom metadata, that would appear as an additional step within this multi-step setup process list on the left. We have finally reached the pricing step in which you, as the bookseller, can determine whether the book will be available for free or up for purchase. If your book is for sale, please enter your desired price in this field. If you intend to offer your book for rent, you can activate weekly, monthly, or annual rental choices. Enabling these options will display a price field below where you can specify the rental fee. You can enter a value of 0 within the price field if you wish to offer your book for free. Please note that you can enable multiple rental choices simultaneously. It is also possible to activate the sample book feature to give users a limited preview of the book before purchase. However, as a vendor, you can only turn this feature on and off. The duration of the book's sample can be altered in the admin console by the Bookstore admin. After completing all the steps related to creating the book, click here to save the book for review and approval. Your book will then be placed on the pending list to be approved by the Bookstore's admin for final publication. You can see the publication status of your book here and later on from the Books page in the Publishing panel. Are you ready for the next step? Join us on this journey and watch our next videos, or visit our knowledge base for more help.